the first one we came here.
15. 15 document.
1,500.
1,500.
We're gonna go to plumbing.
I was gonna have plumbing. Oh.
I met this guy in Nairobi, and his job is converting scrap metals into Jikos. And you can see he's using simple tools. This is not a complex skill, just basic knowledge. One Jiko can go at around 1,300. And on this day, this guy had made around 5 pieces. So you can imagine that's around 6,500. You see? This is a craft skill. Just learning how to do surface area of the cylinder, then cut the sheet metal and convert it into a Jiko. This guy went to school and did plumbing, but he found out that this job pays well, so he had to leave his career and went to this job.
So if you umesomea ama ni skill tu?
Nilikuwa nasoma vitu kama hizo vitu nimesoma. Kila T square tunatumia. Akina 6 square.
Orthographic views. Isometric. Angle projection.
Kwanza hiyo bado nilikuwa nasikia hiyo. Lakini zenu ni mbaya. Zenu zilikuwa mbaya sana. Nilikuwa nafanya plumbing.
Ulikuwa unafanya plumbing? Oh. Sasa hii mbona ulikuja ukafanya hii?
Yes, skills zote zinapanga mark sana.
Kweli.
Ngana unaona hii. Lazima nisomea lakini. Life haisimami.
Yenyewe maisha haisimami, lazima isonge. Hakuna mwenye atakuja kulisha.
Si ruto, si lulu.
Hadi gas cylinder una turn mpaka ikue jiko. Hey. Hii itatoka na dao. Na hii sasa yenye unaunda dao.
Lakini kama unaona
Opiji mtu mwenye anakuandika kwa siku aweze kulipa hiyo 1,300. Nasema yani kama ungeenda uajiriwe na mtu hiyo kukupea hiyo 1,300 ni noma sana. Sasa mtu akikwambia ndio hii kazi. How much is this one?
غالية.
ما المشكلة مش مثلا غالي، المشكلة إنه بريح.
And how much this one?
This one.
Yeah. Huh? 1,600.
This type.
Hauna bei za mwisho.
This type.
Hii ni ngapi?
Hiyo.
15. Ama ni ngapi? 15. So hii ni cheaper than hii.
Na hiyo tayari bila
Hii ni ngapi? How much? 1,200.
And this one?
1,500, 1,600.
ده قوي وتين لكن ده بحفظ لك الحرارة سريع ده بحفظ الحرارة والله لكن ما صغير لكن ده يا ياسر صغير هذا واصل قول دي سي كويس هو عنده هنا تفتح That galvanized and this one. What is the last price?
Hii na hii.
Mimi ni fundi, mimi natengeneza.
Ndio maana tumeona tukasimama.
Ni wholesale price.
Hii ni wholesale price. Hii ni hardware price hata ni.
Natengeneza pale.
Oh, hizi zinakaa na akichukua hiyo anapata na hiyo anafanya acha hizo uwezeka pamoja.
1,000 this one? The last price. You are fundi.
He makes them.
He makes them.
Nothing anything.
Yeah.
He says he's giving us the wholesale price.
How much this one?
Huh? 800 and galvanized. Galvanized 1,200. This is 800. This galvanized will just free. This is.
If you go to a company,
This is 800.
Sasa ini material kan?
Ni ile container cylinder, ile drum. Jina imepotea.
what is the last price for that? What you said this one?
1,200.
And this one?
1,600.
1,600. 1,000 we take this 1,000 and that 1,000. 1,000 here, 1,000 here. They're small sizes, as you can see. That one is for 1,000, 1,004.
Lakini inatoshana na
Hizi sasa ni zile zinakonserve.
So the total. The total. No. He said this 1,600. Yeah. Last price how much? Oh, 15 not good. There is any place here or not?
There we can check.
Go. You are the first one who came here. You are the first one who came here.
okay, 15. 15 document.
1,500.
1,500.
Why you make it 1,300? And this 1,300? Huh?
This one is common mix. This is good.
Okay.
Na hii ni durable, si ndio?
Okay, 1,300. And this one?
Hawana jana nataka temporary. Let's see how
This
much.
one?
Let's do this. 1,500. 1,100.
Okay, take this 1,000 and this is 1,500. That's what. Yeah, so far.
So 2.5.
This one.
Do you need the...
This is free. This is
No, no.
How much for the stick?
How much this one? No. 100.
If you go to the market.
You can't reach on one day. Don't be like that.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah. Okay, no. Give him
100 this one.
No.
No, this one. Oh, no. No, that's right. No. Give him 2,060. That's it. Because the water, we are going to the prayer.
Asante. You're welcome.